Hello, good morning, students. Let us try to understand the aromatization reaction of alkane, student. So here the point is what is student aromatization of alkanes. Okay. So meaning what is meaning of aromatization? Firstly, you try to understand student aromatization. So meaning of aromatization is to convert into an aromatic compound. To convert into aromatic compound. Aromatic compound, that we have to keep in mind, student, to convert into aromatic compound. So alkanes having 6 or more carbon atoms, on heating to 773 Kelvin at 10 to 20 atmospheric pressure, 10 to 20 atmospheric pressure in the presence of oxide of vanadium, molybdenum, chromium supported over alumina gel, hydrogenated and cyclized benzene, and its homologue. This reaction is aromatization reaction. So how you are converting the compound into the aromatic compound, students. The aromatic compound, suppose we are having this aromatization is taking place in the presence of hydrocarbon, or the alkane having at least 6 carbon or the more. So what we are taking, students, suppose I am having the 6 carbon CH3, this is CH2, again this is CH2, this is CH2, here is what is 1 2 3 4, here is CH2 5, this is CH3. So dear students, what we can do here, what we are going to see in this case, if you are taking that is Mn, this reagent is, student, oxidizing, here is Mn, MO2O3, MO2O3, molybdenum oxide, MO2O3, or you are taking V2O5 or you are taking V2O5, vanadium pentoxide, or one more catalyst you can take, student, that is what, chromium oxide, Cr2O3, or you can say Cr2O3. Pressure is what is, that is 10 to 20 atm pressure you are taking. What another point is important point you have taken, student, temperature you are taking, that is 773 Kelvin, 773 Kelvin. So if you are treating this directly converted into what, student, aromatic compound, and that is 4 hydrogen molecule gas will liberate. Suppose if you are taking that is 7 carbon, students, this way, CH3, then CH, okay, 2, here is CH2, this we can write CH2, this will okay, here is what is there, again CH2, here is CH2, this is CH2, 1 2 3 4, this is the 5 6 and 7. So this one is there. And if you are taking with what, student, MO2O3, then what is that is B2O5, then Cr2O3, 10 to 20 atm pressure is there, okay, 773 Kelvin is there, okay. So what we can do here, students, what we can do here, this will form, that is toluene will form, student, this will give, that is toluene, okay, and again the 4 hydrogen molecule gas will released. So the point which we have, suppose it is that 8 carbon is there, 8 carbon, the compound is something like that, okay, this. So 1 2, this is 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. If it is the compound is there 8 carbon, 8 means that is octane is there. And same condition you are applying, student, molybdenum oxide, or you are saying that is chromic oxide, or you can say vanadium pentoxide. Temperature is 10 to 20 atm pressure you are taking, 773 Kelvin temperature you are putting. So what the compound you are going to get, dear students, you are going to get like that. You are going to get that is ethyl benzene. This will come with that is ethyl benzene, right? And here it will give that is 4 hydrogen molecule, that you keep in mind. So how the aromatization reaction is taking place. Toluene is methyl derivative of benzene. Which alkanes do you suggest to for preparation? So that is heptane you are saying. Here is the question is there. In the heptane, if you are taking here what already we have done now. This is what is that is 7 carbon means heptane. Okay, and heptane means what you are getting, student, toluene. So simply you have to keep in mind what the catalyst you are going to take, magnesium oxide, या vanadium pentoxide, या chromium oxide, so that you are getting that is aromatic compound. So aromatization means conversion of aliphatic compound to aromatic compound. That is what is known as aromatization reaction. If you are converting aromatic compound, if you are getting aromatic compound for aliphatic from aliphatic compound, this reaction is known as something that is aromatization. So thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel.